पंचांगम अद्यतन पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक-एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं ग्रीष्म ऋतुः ज्येष्ठमासः कृष्णपक्षः त्रयोदशी तिथिः कृतिका नक्षत्रं धृति योगः गरजकरणं इंदुवासरः। Today's date 23rd June 2025 Monday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधरते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पंचांगफलमुत्तमं सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु।
Now we will chant Karma Yoga Shloka Sangraha. Dhyana Shlokaha. Om Parasharya Vachas Sarojamamalam Gita-tharandhokatam Nana-dhyanaka-kesaram Harikatha Sambodhana-bodhitam Sajjana-षट्पदैरहरः Epiyamanan muda Bhuyad-bharata-pankajam Harimala Pradhamsina-shreyase Atha Srimad-bhagavad-gītāsu Karma-yoga-shloka-sangraha Arjuna uvaca Jayasi chet karma प्रवृत्तोऽपि नैव किञ्चित् करोति सः कार्यं कर्म समाचर असक्तो ह्याचरन् कर्म परमाप्नोति पुरुषः कर्मजं बुद्धियुक्ता हि फलं त्यक्त्वा मनीषिणः जन्मबन्धविनिर्मुक्ताः फलं गच्छन्त्यनामयम् आपूर्यमाणमचलप्रतिष्ठं समुद्रमापः प्रविशन्ति यद्वत् तद्वत् कामायं प्रविशन्ति सर्वे स शान्तिमाप्नोति स कामकामी। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे कर्मयोगश्लोकसंग्रहः। हरि ओं तत्सत्। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Esteemed friends, Karma Yoga translated into English is professional ethics. We do not find professional ethics in the country. The responsibility of Prashanti Kutir is to spread professional ethics all over the world. Karma Yoga is activity willingly performed, wholeheartedly performed, unselfishly performed, performed without any anticipation of the fruit. We should feel comfortable while performing the duty. Kaushalam means a sort of comfortability. Not only skill and dexterity, but we show the ease with which we perform the activity. Karma Yoga is actually the need of the hour, which the day before, on Saturday 21st June, all our staff and students happily, comfortably, easily, with skill, with dexterity, you performed really the wonderful program. There is excellent discipline. Gradually the university is moving from imposed discipline to self-discipline. When we observe the discipline out of sheer interest, wholehearted cooperation, complete involved participation, then the university will have the flying colors. I have been observing the prayer sessions in the mornings. We are gradually progressing towards self-discipline. There is not much of threat. There is not much of fear of punishment. We are involving ourselves wholeheartedly, which was very beautifully presented on the 21st of June. This year, the speciality is the initiative of the students is paramount. The indulgence of the staff and students is spectacular. Everybody was stunned the way you performed the asanas, the protocol. Everything was enthralling. It was bewitching, enticing. I do not know whom to congratulate. Should I congratulate the organizers or should I congratulate the student leaders? Everybody was at his best or her best. The speciality is we did not do it as a duty. You performed it as though it is our personal function in our houses. That was the involvement scene, and the chief guest was really surprised the way you were doing it. Of course, this is Yoga University, and yoga is our home. Yoga is our destination. Yoga is our livelihood. Yoga is our professional ethics. That was understood by every student and every staff member, and we find the function to be very, very, very successful. I am telling you out of my involvement and my keen observation over the years I have been seeing. This year the prayer has gone to a higher level, and the 21st June that protocol was very well observed, International Day of Yoga. It is the domestic function like we have performed. I am very, very glad. I cannot name Mr. X or Mr. Y to be congratulated. As a whole, I find everybody to be thanked, everybody to be congratulated. I am very, very happy. Let us keep it up. Let us be the role models to the entire country and the world. Let us be the beacon lights of yoga for the entire universe to emulate, entire universe to emulate. Hari Om Tat Sat. Thank you very much.
I would like to invite the principal of nursing school to hoist the flag after the Shanti mantra. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.